Hello student, welcome to our English class. I hope you seen my last video of lesson number 5, a kabaddi match. From last video we starting the lesson kabaddi match. Here point page number 14. Now 9B began to play cautiously. When Mangesh got a 3 point, then 9B began to play cautiously. Mihir, one of their raider, even managed to tag Soham from 9A. Nothing much happened in the next few raids. Now it was Vivek's raid. He always played with strategies. They worked fine. The remaining 3 players from 9B trapped Vivek. Here student, due to Vivek, 9B, 3 players trapped. He slowly moved back towards his court. The 3 anti-raiders also moved. 3 anti-raiders also moved with him. When they caught his arm and were trying to pull him back, Vivek slipped his legs beyond middle line, with the anti-raiders still hanging on his arms. Oh, the whole of 9B team was declared out. Here student, 9B whole the team declared out. Then next paragraph, 9A had actually managed to get 3 more bonus points of loan. 9A had actually managed to get more points of loan. It was the icing on the cake. You know student, icing on the cake. What an invincible score. It set the heads of 9B reeling. After the half-time break in kabaddi match, half-time break, the star players of 9A were full of confidence. Here student, players of the 9th A were full confidence. Once again they managed the catch hold of the S-Raider Mohan. One of the S-Raider Mohan, Ajinkya and Ravi. Once again they managed the catch hold of the S-Raiders Mohan, Ajinkya and Ravi. 9A outplayed 9B. 9A outplayed 9B in all the areas of kabaddi. 9A outplayed 9B in all the areas of kabaddi. Their team spirit, their confidence, their strategies, their swiftness, suppleness helped them to beat 9B, who had never tasted defeat earlier. In any sport, you know student, the team spirit is also important. So their team spirit, their confidence, their strategies means their skills, their swiftness, suppleness helped them to beat 9B, who had never tasted defeat earlier. Before this, 9B was never defeated. Here student, 9th A outplayed 9B in all the areas of kabaddi. Their team spirit, confidence, their strategies, their swiftness, suppleness helped them to beat 9B, who had never tasted defeat earlier. Kabaddi. You know student about kabaddi. Kabaddi is an ancient sport. It is originated in India. You know student, kabaddi sport is originated in India and has now become popular in many countries. Another countries also played the game kabaddi. So that many international events are organized. In these events, international rules are followed. But several other kabaddi styles such as Sanjeevani, Gemini, Amar, etc. are followed in different parts of India. You know student, kabaddi is an ancient sport and originated in India, but it's popular international level also. In kabaddi, in kabaddi 2 teams of 7 members each face each other in a flat rectangular court. Here you see the court of kabaddi match. In kabaddi, 2 teams of 7 members each face each other in a flat rectangular court divided by a midline. Here in middle part divided by a midline, and either here one side one team and other side other team. The game is usually played in 2 halls with a half-time break in between. Game is usually played in 2 halls with a half-time break in between. After the break, the team exchange their sides in the court. After the team side their changes in the court. The game, each team sends raiders, players. Raiders means players. The game, each team sends raiders across the midline to the other team. The raider tries to tag the opponents and run back to his side. All in one breath, as like kabaddi kabaddi. To show that he hasn't inhaled again, he hasn't inhaled again, he has to chant kabaddi kabaddi all the time. Talking kabaddi kabaddi all the time. If he has to inhale again, he is out. If he had inhaled again, he is out. The opponents try to catch the raiders and stop him going back to the half till he loses his breath. The opponents try to catch the raiders and stop him going back to his half till he loses his breath and has no inhale again if the raiders manage to go back successfully. All the persons he has tagged and all those who have touched him one declared out. All the person he has tagged, all those who have touched him are declared out. For each player declared out, the opposite team scored a point. For each player declared out, the opposite team scored a point. If all the 7 players in a team are out, 7 players in a team are out, the opposite team gets bonus point. A lone is called lone, means extra point. The team with the maximum point wins the match. Team with the maximum point wins the match. Here in last paragraph, the game of kabaddi requires good health. You know, student, in any sports require good health. Muscular strength, strategic skills, a lot of practice, and above all, great determination. In any sports require good health. In this way, the game of kabaddi also required good health, muscular strength, strategic skills, a lot of practice, and above all, their determination. Indian girls and boys have always at kabaddi. Will you be like to an ex-kabaddi player when you are a little older? Who knows, if you make a resolve now, one day you may help win glory of your school, district, and even the state and the country. Who knows, if you make a resolve now, one day you may help win glory of your school, district, even the state and country. Now here student, our fifth lesson, a kabaddi match completed. Next part, we complete our exercise on the kabaddi match.